Remember that a null hypothesis always states that the variables are not related. Let's think about a specific example. I wonder if crowd size is related to team performance in sports. So the null hypothesis would say crowd size does not predict team performance. The alternate hypothesis is going to predict a relationship. Now, you've got a couple of different ways that this could go. You could just say the variables are related. So what would this look like? It would say crowd size predicts team performance. You could also predict a specific direction. So you could say the variables share a positive relationship, and that would look like as crowd size increases, so does team performance. Let's think about what this really means. What are we actually saying here? If we say that crowd size does not predict team performance, we're saying that if we were to look at that data, and we've got our crowd size on the bottom here, increasing, and we've got our team performance on the y-axis, increasing. Crowd size does not predict team performance. We see just as good performance regardless of crowd size. If we say crowd size does predict team performance, well, it seems like we've got two possibilities. We've got as crowd size increases, so does performance. So the larger the crowd, the better the performance, and the smaller the crowd, the worse the performance. This is a positive relationship. I suppose we could be predicting a negative relationship. We could have a relationship that says the variables share a negative relationship as crowd size increases, performance decreases. So in that case, as our crowd increases, the larger crowds are associated with poor performance, and the smaller crowds are associated with bigger performance, with better performance, and we're seeing a negative overall relationship there. So when we're generating hypotheses, we've got our null hypothesis that's saying there's no relationship, the variables are not related. And then we've got three possible research hypotheses. This first one is non-directional. It is not specifying whether we're going to see a positive relationship or a negative relationship. These two are both directional. And one's indicating a positive relationship, the others indicating a negative relationship. This is what we'd expect the results to look like. This is what these hypotheses mean.